So this is our Makey kit, and it's basically a board, just a circuit board, printed circuit board. Okay, and we have a bunch of earth contacts down here to complete the circuits, and the rest of the circuits go up through these chips and come out at these various points. And that's where our connections are made, and then an earth back to complete the circuit. You can see on this side we've got up, left, right, down, and space click and mouse click. Depending on the software you're running, they all have different functions. Okay, so there's Mel B's Spice Girl party. But if we type up here Makey and piano and enter, this is just one example of the use for this Makey. And on this Makey site, that's the name of the hardware, there's a whole bunch of programs set up to run on PC. So if we click here, it's ready to play. If we press the buttons, it plays keys. So it's a piano. You can put space, down, up, and left and right. So that's a piano based on the keyboard. But the Makey is a piece of hardware that we can fit in between our keyboard and the computer. So we plug in our Makey, USB powered, and you'll see a bunch of lights flash, and then it's ready to work. And what we've got to do is connect the corresponding arrow keys to the corresponding places on this Makey. And we're going to do that now, and we're going to draw a small piano. If I just move this over here. So we want a key here, and I'm using carbon pencil here, another one, how many is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these lines are representing the keys on the piano, nice and thick. You can do a better job than this, but just to show the basic workings of it. Okay, then we're going to connect these pieces of paper, this graphite, to the different parts of the keyboard on our Makey. So up was the second key, and these are a bit cheap, but we connect there, and that's going to the up, which is second key on our keyboard. Okay, and next one, left. I'll just put left here. Oops. And left was this one. And I'll just do the rest and come. So here we've wired up all the corresponding lines to the keys as shown on the website. So we've got left, up, down, and those are the keys that we've shown over here on our Makey. So left corresponds to the first line in pencil, then up, right, down, and then space. So what we can do now is connect an earth to the bottom row, and that completes the circuit. So we're making a circuit, and it goes from the power supply up here up through the color we want, through the pencil line, and then also to complete that circuit we touch this end of the black one, or the bottom row here. So now if I touch here and touch the green, make sure everything's working. So our pencil line's not working too well, so we need to make that a bit thicker. But when I touch the ends, In fact, probably what I've done is, oh, now it's working. For some reason our pencil line's only working in the center one. And that could be just something for the kids to work out. And then the idea is that you use this conductivity principle and these keys with different programs on the computer to investigate. So we might use it to investigate conductivity, or we might design a game which has touch sensitive parts to the game, and these can be connected underneath the game board, and we can have lights coming on. We can use other things on this board to give us LED lights and things. And we have jumper leads here, which can be used to go out to external devices and for running light systems and things. So it can become quite complicated, and the kids can get quite a lot out of this. This is the Makey, and all we've done here is a piano in a few minutes. And I'll just fiddle with it a bit longer to get it working. So here we've got our Makey working. We hold the earth to complete the circuit. So it's going to go through the board, out through the key, then through my other hand, and then through to this hand where I'm touching. So I'm completing the circuit, but I could put other things where I am, and he will just try it. Okay, so it's working now. We can press two keys at once. You can see on the monitor, you're getting an idea of which keys being hit by colours on the screen. E, I, O. And you can also do this. You can connect several people in the class. So I've connected another earth cable. We could have two, one for two different people. So we can play separate keynotes. And there's other ways you could join maybe two Makers together and try and figure out a more and this is very simple. Class can do it in one period, get the keyboard working using that software on that website, and it's all done for them. Very simple, very basic, and huge potential for them what you could do after that. So this is just a first task to set up. It's very successful, and the kids experience success, which is important, and then go to it from there. My Year 9s are looking at doing a board game on the environment for this, so that's one idea. Thank you.